I'm Kevin Groves. I'm the CEO and owner of Alpha Video. We do casino and sports work nationally and internationally, and pretty much everything else, education, corporate communications, government, those kinds of things we do regionally. Relationships with manufacturers or vendors, partners as we call them in this case, are based on trust. And a lot of the things that these guys have done over the years that we work with in Legrand create that trust. So they do a lot of things for us that are a little unusual from the rest of our vendors. We look at them as the best vendors we have. They respond extremely quickly. They're willing to consider feedback that we give them or guidance we'd give them about products. In fact, even sometimes adding the things that we think they should do to their product to reinvent their product or create changes in their product. We have them work with us on older legacy installations to provide value for the customer, and sometimes that allows us to win the business with those products instead of going to another manufacturers that they might have already specified. Like in one case, I can tell you that da-lite screens, for example, were one of the products we were able to put into old cases that were already there to upgrade the quality of their product when they had been sold on another manufacturer's screen. That ability really allowed us to capture the account with the Legrand product instead of going a different direction. The change to Legrand is interesting to me. I walk into a Home Depot and I see Legrand outlets, and the company just becomes so much larger. I think that financial clout allows people to change more quickly, and our industry is changing pretty rapidly. And I think that the companies have a good future look. They have a really good communication and partnership with us, and I think that the communication that they have about what they see combined with what we're seeing are going to help us develop together and hit the market a little more effectively. So we find that very helpful as we try to work down the path of the future moving forward.